Alam mo, kapag tumatanda na pala tayo, mas priority na natin yung paano maging masaya. Marirealize mo na mas masarap i-enjoy ang buhay pag masaya ka. Di mo kailangan makipagtalo sa mga taong walang bilib sa'yo as long as nag-enjoy ka naman sa ginagawa mo.
To make those rainbows in my mind. When I think of you sometime, I wanna spend some time with you. Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us. Just the two of us. Just the two of us.
It's her hair and her eyes today that just simply takes me away. And the feeling that I'm falling further in love makes me shiver.